Welcome to today's video. If you are in business, operations, or technology, you must pay attention to the World Economic Forum in Davos. This event sets the agenda for global industry trends, and this year's focus was clear: AI, digital transformation, and sustainability. But here's the question: how will these trends shape operation excellence and digital transformation in 2025 and beyond? That's exactly what we'll cover today. By the end of this video, you will have clear insights into the top trends discussed in Davos 2025, how leading companies like Tesla, BMW, Siemens, and Schneider Electric are implementing these strategies, actionable steps you can take to stay ahead in your industry. So let's dive in. This year, Davos focused on how business can leverage technology and sustainability to create resilient and efficient operations. Here are 4 key themes that dominated these discussions. Number 1, AI and automation. AI-driven workflows are no longer futuristic. They are already transforming supply chains and manufacturing. Number 2, sustainability and ESG compliance. Leaders discuss green manufacturing and the importance of tracking carbon footprints with the AI. Number 3, resilient supply chains. The importance of Industry 4.0, predictive analytics, and real-time data tracking to avoid supply chain disruptions. Number 4, the future of work. AI and automations are reshaping job roles, making workforce upskilling more important than ever. These aren't just abstract ideas. Major companies are already applying them successfully. So let's have a look. Siemens and Schneider Electric have revolutionized their manufacturing by integrating AI-powered predictive maintenance systems and IoT-enabled smart sensors. Here is how they work. Their factory uses real-time monitoring systems that collect data from machines. AI detects early signs of equipment failures before it happens, allowing preemptive maintenance. And the result? A 20 to 30% increase in the efficiency, less downtime, and lower maintenance costs. Digital twins allow them to simulate production scenarios, optimizing processes without actual disruptions. This is the power of AI and digital transformation in operation excellence. Let's look for another case study: how we are utilizing AI in the automotive manufacturing. Tesla and BMW are setting the benchmark in AI-powered predictive maintenance and smart manufacturing. Here is what they're doing. They're using machine learning algorithm to continuously analyze sensor data from the robotic assembly. Predictive AI models identify patterns that indicate possible component failures before they occur. Tesla's AI-driven robotic arms make real-time adjustments, improving precision. BMW's digital twin simulations optimize production, reducing human intervention and errors. And the impact of that: fewer unexpected shutdowns, faster production, and optimized energy consumption. The another trend we saw from the Davos was AI and hyper automation. So what are the major digital transformation trends coming out of the Davos? What are the major digital transformation trends coming out of Davos? Number 1, AI-driven decision making. Companies are using AI-powered business intelligence to improve real-time decision making. Number 2, hyper automation and RPA. Robotic process automation (RPA) is streamlining repetitive workflows, improving efficiency. Number 3, cybersecurity and data protection. As business digitalize, cybersecurity risks grow. AI is now being used to prevent the cyber threats proactively. Sustainable operations. Number 4, the smart sensors and AI-driven data tracking are helping business achieve carbon neutrality goals. These aren't just theories; these are being implemented now. What business should do to stay competitive? Here are 3 actionable steps that we can learn from this summit. Number 1, adopt AI for process optimization. Start integrating AI and predictive analytics into operation. Implement digital twins, simulate workflow before making changes and reducing your risks. Number 3, upskilling your workforce. AI is not replacing people, enhancing capabilities. Invest in employee training. If your company isn't moving towards digital transformation, you risk falling behind. That's it for today's video. Let's recap. Davos 2025 was focused on AI, automation, and sustainability. Major companies like Tesla, BMW, Siemens, and Schneider Electric are already implementing these strategies. The future of operation excellence is digital transformation. So what do you think? Do you believe AI and automation will completely reshape the business operations in next 5 years? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on operation excellence and digital transformation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.